Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we're going to do a demonstration on this S100. We bought this motorcycle about a month ago. I've probably been sitting since maybe 2000 area or so, and it sat outside. Well, actually it sat in a shed next to a house, which is almost the same as outside. Some stuff we're going to be able to do something with, some we're not. But this oxidation on here and stuff, this is something we want to work with. See, I got it on my finger here. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply the S100 to this. I've been using S100 for a long time, and as you can see, it's starting to really work its way in. Now, I'm probably putting too much on, but I don't know. It's pretty good like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to squirt everything down. You can even squirt the paint down with this. It's safe. And then I'm going to take a little bit of cleaner to it and see some SOS pads or something, possibly, and work on the chrome a little bit, because you want to make this an unrestored everyday rider if we can. We're going to change out the bolts and stuff, and we're also going to change out a few things here and there, the spokes and the chain adjuster bolts and all that stuff, but we'll show you what it looks like here in a few minutes. Okay, I got the S100 resting on here. I took a little mild SOS to it gently. We kind of went over the aluminum and the chrome a little bit. Notice I don't touch the paint with anything abrasive. I'll probably wind up spraying it down and kind of doing it with my hand a little bit just to do that. But overall, I think the bike is good, and after we rinse the stuff off, we'll show you what we think it looks like. What we're using here is the S100 drying towel. So let's check it out. By using this towel, it shows me what I really have to do and what I don't have to do to this bike to make it nice. Like, just for example, the cables were all oxidized and stuff. I'm wiping these down. If you come over here, you can see what I'm talking about. It couldn't get all the way in, but over here where my finger is, you can see the oxidation. Now here we go. Takes it right off. I wasn't expecting to get this much off, but this is going to be nice. I mean, obviously we're going to clean this up. I know that there's this, I'm probably going to use the S100 solvent for this, but look at this. I mean, this is just getting in here in the motor and stuff is really, really nice. I'm surprised this motor is turning out the way that it is. I thought it was kind of beyond, or would have just taken it apart and vapor blast it, but I think this is pretty cool. It seems like everything I move around here is looking good on here, so it brings like an instant detail. Now this stuff here has been polished out before, so I'm kind of wiping it out. And again, I can't say enough about, don't take the plating off the bolts like someone wear wheelies. That's not good. But we're going to replace all this hardware anyway, but just that's what your stuff looks like after 20 years when you do that. Okay, here's our 76 KZ900A that we use the S100 to clean up. I must have a passion because I did this one myself. I'm kind of looking it over now, and all we did basically was use the S100 to get the top layer of film off of it. Cleaned it up a little bit with some SOS lightly in some places on the aluminum and heavy, just to get it looking a little better. We have some products from S100 that's going to remove this oxidation here. But oxidation here and stuff these will be replaced, and this will be replaced. We replaced a lot of hardware on the bike, but overall, what a nice shot here. It's getting ready to rain here, or we would put more time into it. But overall, it looks really, really good. Over on this side, we're missing a side cover emblem, but we'll probably come up with that. Of course, we all talked about the seat not being right for it, but this is nice. I don't know how far we're going to go with this one, but we need to hear it run and kind of go from there. So we're going to try to put some wider handlebars on it and definitely get rid of the foam grips. But tell us what you think. And thanks so much for S100 for making my job easier today on this fine Saturday afternoon. Thanks. This is clean. This is clean.